This exercise is a split stance, banded posterior mobilization for the hip. This is going to work on hip mobility into your squats and free up that motion, hopefully. So you're going to have a band attached lower to the ground so that it's coming up more of an angle to perform that mobilization. You're going to place the resistance band as close to that hip joint as possible so that it's doing the mobilization along the head of the femur. You're not too far down on your thigh and more so on all that soft tissue. So it's right along that joint line. Stepping out so you feel a decent resistance. You're going to have most of your weight on that front leg, and you're maintaining 3 points of contact. Your big toe, pinky toe, and heel. You're going to shift that knee forward a little bit, and you're hinging at your hip. So we're going to maintain that position, and then you're going to sit that hip back a little bit. So that'd be the starting point for that mobilization. So now from there, you're going to rotate your upper body. This is going to kind of close off that hip. All right, again, maintaining that position. And then from there, you're going to rotate to the opposite side, keeping that hip in place, kind of driving that knee out a little bit. You should feel it in that glute of the leg that you're doing the mobilization on. Nice and slow. Rotating to the other way. Again, all that weight on that front leg. All right, driving through the glute. All right, pressing that knee out as you're rotating away from that front leg to your left if you are doing a mobilization on the right leg. Obviously doing that on both sides if needed. And that is a banded posterior mobilization for the hip in a split stance position.